Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Currently here in Celebration, Florida. This is Town Center. Just a quick little vlog this morning for you guys. Come on in, check it out. So guys, first order of business this morning is some Starbucks coffee. Actually, put in a mobile order in there. Roberta just ran in to grab it. We'll wait for her. We'll have a little walk here and let you know a few things coming up here on Medling World. And speak of the devil herself, here's Roberta. Roberta, what'd you get us this morning?
The Dubai chocolate.
Oh, the Dubai iced mocha, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you call it?
Dubai, yeah.
Oh, it's
And
so
I found
good.
out the foam is pistachio. That's why.
Go ahead,
so
Roberta.
good.
You get honors on that one. We first tried this one over at Universal last week. It's awesome, man. The Dubai one from Starbucks right now. Amazingly good. Roberta, if you don't mind.
So good. Yeah.
Roberta, we have some fun things coming up.
Yes. So good. Yeah.
This one's better than the one I had last time.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Roberta. This one is, the chocolate, it's so silky and nice.
Yeah, it's so good.
Let's have a little walk. A beautiful morning here in Town Center, Roberta, isn't it?
This way towards the sun.
Towards the sun.
Yeah.
But it is going to be a very beautiful day today and tomorrow here in Celebration. But I'm thinking of where we used to live. Not so nice. Big storms coming through there. So everybody I know up there, my family, my friends, up in Connecticut, New England area.
Yeah.
Huge storm coming through. Bitter cold.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, be prepared for that. That's one thing.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, when you talk about it in Florida, people are talking about the storm up north in Florida. That's when you know it's a big storm.
Yeah.
We don't talk about snow here.
No.
We're not allowed to do that in Florida. But we're thinking of all the people up there. Actually, and also here tomorrow morning will be a marathon. See them starting to get ready. The Celebration Marathon.
Actually, you're watching Sunday.
Yeah, so the recording of this video is Saturday. This will come out. Actually, they'll be running the marathon probably when this video comes out.
Yes.
But I do want to shout out a couple friends of mine. Fred, he's running.
Yeah.
He's a neighbor of ours. And Josh, another guy I know, he shops at Publix. He's running.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, they're getting ready.
they're getting ready. So you can see here, they are starting to set up some of the tent areas here. This road's already closed. This road will most likely, I would imagine, be closed tomorrow. There's all kinds of events here in Celebration. We like to show the town. Roberta and I both getting ready to actually go to our day jobs. We can't always just make Medling World videos, Roberta. I wish we could, and we're working on that.
Yeah.
We're working to get to that point, but we got some more work to do.
Yeah.
So we have to go to our day jobs. Roberta, where are we going tomorrow?
Epic Universe.
So we're going to be going back to Epic Universe. Roberta.
Yeah.
I have not been to Epic Universe since opening weekend back in May. I know you go every day,
Yeah.
but we get to go and have fun.
Yeah.
So it will be the whole Medling World crew.
Yeah.
And then I actually got a friend coming.
Yeah. Friend of mine is coming.
Yeah, so we'll be hanging out with another friend.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a fun day, guys. And I think what we'll do there is we're going to give you like a full experience vlog. I want to concentrate a lot, Roberta, on how is the park operating right now, you know, as a guest.
Almost a year already.
Well, May will be a year.
Yeah.
But soft opening started last March, so we're getting close to almost a year in. But I will be honest with you, anytime I go online,
yeah,
especially if you're on Facebook and you follow any of the like Universal pages, Epic, so many people complain about this park. So I want to go and I want to just see, because I will tell you this.
Yeah.
Somebody will post some kind of complaint, and then in the comments, they rip them to pieces.
Yeah.
So I think there's a lot of people that really enjoy Epic as well. So I don't know. As I said, you can go online, you can read all these rumors, but on Medling World, we're going to really show you what it's like, our experience.
And also here, there's two different perspectives, which is your perspective of, like I said, I'm a guest and I haven't been there for a while, and also me, that I'm part of the operational part of it.
Yeah,
Which I see a lot every day.
that's true. So you get both
And
sides.
I understand what's
Of
happening
course.
a lot, which it's not just Epic, just in parks in general. And frustrations on all things happen in the theme parks.
Oh yeah.
Disney World, Epic Universe, Universal, SeaWorld, and we talk about all of them. So we're
Yeah.
gonna be showing tomorrow, actually,
Yeah.
when you're watching. But we're gonna be there.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be there. And Roberta,
Yeah.
we also will be covering the Gras event
Yes, Mardi Gras coming up.
at Universal
Universal.
Studios Florida.
Also,
That'll be.
if you are watching already SeaWorld, we're gonna also be
We're gonna.
SeaWorld. We have just like scheduling.
Let's keep walking. wanna show some
Scheduling that
stuff
we are
over
trying to figure out with our jobs.
Well, what are we gonna be doing at SeaWorld? That's the most important thing.
Seven Seas Food Festival.
That's right. So we will be covering the Seven Seas Food Festival, which does start January 30th.
Yeah.
We might not be able to make it maybe till the 1st of February, possibly the Sunday, because as we just mentioned,
Yeah.
we have to go to our regular jobs. But we have one goal in mind on Medling World, Roberta.
Yeah.
We always try to be very, very current. We try to get to every event on the first day, which we're usually very successful with.
Yeah.
Festival of the Arts, Mardi Gras, Mickey's Not So Scary, Halloween Horror Nights, just to name a few. We're always try to be there on the first night, but sometimes with our schedules right now,
Yeah.
we get there as soon as we can.
Yeah.
And that is also very important because we have a huge goal to become full-time on this network here, on YouTube. But that takes time.
Yeah.
And we want to thank everybody because without the people that watch it,
Yeah.
that's never going to happen. But every day we get closer to that.
Yeah.
So we are patient and we're going to provide you the best content and the most real content here on Medling World. Now, I was mentioning about the Dubai chocolate drink here. Look.
Wait.
She's Roberta's. Wait. She says. I also kind of want to show you some of the things they're getting ready to set up here for the Celebration Marathon. Now, listen, we cover a lot of things in Celebration, so
Yeah.
it's important for us here. We live here, guys. This is our community, and we will continue to show you all kinds of things that go on here. And I'm very happy to know, Roberta, I got to tell you this, which I think I tell you a lot.
Yeah.
People come in. Let's allow this person to walk by here. People come into Publix, where I work a lot,
Yeah.
that move here, and they come up to me and they say, Matt, thank you for those videos on Celebration. Thank you, Roberta, for those videos.
Yeah.
It's very awesome, and
Yeah.
I love it. It's humbling. We want to always remain who we are as people.
Yeah.
But let me tell you something. When somebody comes in and is like, hey, I really appreciate your videos. I'm happy to watch them. That's the most rewarding thing, I think, as a creator.
Yeah.
It
absolutely.
motivates us, and it shows that our channel is growing. It's great.
Yeah.
So we will continue to show you lots of different things going on here in Celebration, Florida. Like this. I'm just going to show you quick here. So it looks like this is like all different sponsors. There's Jeff's Bagel Run. So different sponsorships kind of setting up. I would imagine this probably for the athletes.
Yeah, because like.
This is probably for the people that are running. Yeah, look, half marathon bibs. So you can do the half of the whole. I guess it's two full laps around for the whole. They actually run right by where we live too. But I don't think we'll catch it tomorrow morning because we're going to be heading to Epic. We might before we leave. I don't know. I probably wouldn't make a vlog of them just running by, but just kind of want to show you how cool it is to live here. All the events. I will say one thing though. I got a feeling if you're running tomorrow on Sunday, the 25th would it be? It is going to be hot, man.
Yeah.
It's going to be 87 degrees tomorrow here in Florida.
Yeah.
And
In the morning, maybe it's still be chill. a little
yeah,
bit.
but no, these runners, Roberta, they like it in the 40s, man. They like it nice and cool out. It's already going to be probably in the 60s by the time they start running. It's going to be hot. That's going to slow down some times.
Yeah.
Hydration, very important. Also, again, I want to thank everybody for watching our vlog on the Disney Festival of the Arts.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen it yet, we cover a lot. That's a long vlog, guys. We come into the park there We go through the whole entire park. If you're interested in really getting a lot of information and seeing a lot of the art, including the card games that they're doing now.
That was really cool.
It was cool. We had such a fun day there. So check out our vlog from Epcot
Yeah.
Festival of the Arts. A great festival, a lot of fun. One of our favorites, actually.
Yeah.
Roberta, the Celebration Theater here, which is going to be kind of like a community sports center, as far as I know now. So that is going to be repurposed, which will be nice. I wish we lived here when they had movies in there. Wouldn't that be awesome?
Yeah.
You could just ride your bike down here and go to the movies.
Yeah.
But they are going to be utilizing that building again. I guess kind of like a different athletic trainings and things like that in there. As far as I know, don't quote me on this. This is just kind of what I'm hearing. I don't have any official documentation in front of me here. I'm sure somebody in the comments can help us out. Somebody local, maybe one of the realtors watching.
Yeah.
You know what we got to do? Roberta's over here. Hang on. Roberta, I think maybe a long time ago. But anyway, this is where the theater is. It's so cool, right? I love this sign, man. The sign is so awesome. But at some point, we might have done... At some point, we might have done the ice cream here. Now, it is Kilwin's. It is a small chain. Now, I'm not saying it's like a small, like one shot only. It is a small chain. There's several of them. But it's pretty good. Man, I tell you what. I just keep thinking about this time of the year and where we're living up north. Now, listen, people like it up there. That's fine. I'm not saying you shouldn't live up north. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But I'm saying for me, I'll trade in my generator, or, you know, and the stress of when those storms come through up there with the cold. It's a lot of stress, and I can feel for the people up there, man. That's just a huge storm, Roberta. Like, remember having to go out there and shovel your driveway? I'm serious, guys. Just, if you're in New England watching, just be careful with it. Roberta, also, let's talk a little bit about cruising.
Yeah.
I know you guys love our cruise vlogs. There's no doubt. The stats, the analytics, we are working on it. We are going to cruise. It's not like we're not going to.
Also Disney resorts.
And Disney resorts.
Yeah.
They are on our list. It's just a matter of timing. It's a matter of when we can get it. But we are looking into several different cruises. Yeah. We will be cruising. It's just a matter of when, not if. I promise you that. I can't wait to cruise again, man.
A lot of schedules.
A lot of schedules.
Yeah.
But we're going to get it.
Yeah.
So, guys, just like a little quick good morning vlog here from beautiful Celebration, Florida on a January 24th morning. Saturday, January 24th.
Yeah.
I'm happy you guys joined us today. Yeah. A vlog just about walking around in circles, talking about our town and things we're going to do.
Yeah.
We make vlogs like this sometimes.
Yeah.
Why not? We like to connect with our people, man, our subs. Take a moment, please, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, maybe you've been watching a while, hit the subscribe button. Help us grow even more.
Yeah.
More from Celebration, more from Universal, Disney, SeaWorld, malls. Yeah. We did a mall. We do everything. I'll vlog anything on Medling World. I mean, I love it. And last but not least, see ya!